Welcome back to Turbo and Wings, the home of speed, power, luxury, and the world's most insane machines. Today, we're diving into the futuristic beast that is changing the supercar world forever, the all-new Lamborghini Revuelto 2026. A 1,001 horsepower hybrid monster combining legendary V12 emotion with next-generation electric performance. From its spaceship-inspired design to its mind-blowing acceleration, this machine is Lamborghini's bold step into the future. So buckle up, because in today's video we'll explore the design, technology, interior, performance, and everything that makes the Revuelto one of the most revolutionary Lamborghinis ever created. If you love supercars, hypercars, aviation, and pure adrenaline, make sure to subscribe to Turbo and Wings and join the journey. Now let's fire up the V12 and begin.
2026. Lamborghini has entered a completely new era. This is not just another supercar. This is the future of V12 performance. Meet the breathtaking Lamborghini Revuelto. From a very first glance, the Revuelto looks like something that escaped from the future. Its sharp fighter jet-inspired body, dramatic aerodynamic lines, and signature Y-shaped LED lighting create a presence that is impossible to ignore. Every angle feels aggressive, futuristic, and unmistakably Lamborghini. This is not a car designed simply to look fast. It is engineered to dominate both the road and the track. Lamborghini's designers pushed aerodynamics to an entirely new level. Massive air intakes channel airflow with precision, while active aerodynamic systems constantly adjust in real time to maximize downforce and stability. At high speed, the Revuelto almost feels alive, adapting itself to every corner, every straight, and every movement of the driver. Underneath the sculpted body sits an advanced carbon fiber monocoque chassis. Lamborghini completely redesigned the structure to reduce weight while increasing rigidity and safety. The result is a car that feels incredibly sharp and responsive, giving the driver total confidence even at insane speeds. But the true masterpiece lies behind the driver. At the heart of the Revuelto is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, a roaring mechanical beast that preserves the soul of Lamborghini's legendary performance heritage. But this time, the V12 is no longer working alone. Lamborghini combined a massive V12 with 3 powerful electric motors, creating the company's first-ever high-performance plug-in hybrid supercar. Together, this advanced hybrid system produces a mind-blowing 1,001 horsepower. The sound is absolutely unforgettable. The V12 screams with raw emotion, while the electric motors instantly deliver brutal torque the moment the driver touches the throttle. It creates a driving experience that feels both futuristic and deeply emotional at the same time. 2 electric motors power the front wheels independently, providing lightning-fast torque vectoring and intelligent all-wheel drive control. A 3rd electric motor assists the rear axle and supports the transmission system for smoother and more explosive acceleration. The result is unbelievable performance. The Revuelto launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. That level of acceleration feels almost unreal, pushing the driver deep into the seat with pure violence. Lamborghini claims a top speed beyond 349 kilometers per hour, placing the Revuelto among the fastest and most extreme production cars ever built. But speed alone does not define this machine. What truly separates the Revuelto from previous Lamborghinis is a balance between old-school emotion and cutting-edge technology. Lamborghini managed to preserve the drama, the noise, and the excitement of a naturally aspirated V12 while introducing an electrified system that improves efficiency, handling, and responsiveness. This hybrid technology also allows short all-electric driving in city environments. In electric mode, the Revuelto becomes surprisingly quiet and smooth, almost behaving like a completely different machine. But the moment the V12 wakes up, the entire personality changes instantly. Inside the cabin, the Revuelto feels like the cockpit of a futuristic fighter jet. The driver is surrounded by advanced digital technology, premium materials, and aggressive Lamborghini styling. A fully digital instrument cluster displays performance information in real time, while the large central touchscreen controls navigation, media, climate settings, and vehicle dynamics. For the first time, Lamborghini even included a dedicated passenger display, allowing the passenger to monitor speed, engine performance, and driving data during high-speed runs. Every surface inside the cabin feels premium and performance-focused. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, leather, and metallic finishes combine to create an atmosphere that feels luxurious yet aggressive. Even the start button is protected beneath a dramatic fighter jet-style red cover, reminding the driver that this machine was built for excitement. Lamborghini also engineered multiple driving modes that completely transform behavior of the Revuelto. In electric mode, the car becomes refined and quiet for daily driving. In hybrid performance modes, the electric motors in V12 work together for maximum efficiency and responsiveness. But in full performance mode, the Revuelto unleashes its true personality. The suspension stiffens. The aerodynamics become more aggressive. Gear shifts become faster and sharper. The V12 screams at full volume while the electric motors deliver instant acceleration with absolutely no hesitation. On the racetrack, the Revuelto feels razor sharp. The combination of active aerodynamics, instant electric torque, rear-wheel steering, and advanced all-wheel drive technology gives the car incredible cornering ability. It attacks corners with unbelievable precision while remaining stable even under.
And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the incredible Lamborghini Revuelto, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video with every car enthusiast you know. Welcome to the future of performance only on Turbo and Wings.